Now 41. Then how to take 41? First, XL. XL is 40. 40 plus 1 is 41. This is 41. 41. Now 20. XX is 20. 20 plus IX means 9. This is 29. It is 29. Then how to represent 29? That is 10 plus 10. 20. 20 plus 9 symbol is IX. 29. Then IX means this is symbol for 9. L is symbol for 15. IX is symbol for 9. 59. 59. Then how much it is? 68. Then how to represent 68? 68. 50 plus 10, 60, 60 and 8. 68. 68. Now 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 1, 10, 11, 12, 13. 30 plus 13, that is 43. Then how to represent 43? So then 40 means XL is 40. XL is 40 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 43. It represents 43. Now subtract 10 and this is 8. This is 10, 20, 28. First one is 28 minus here 20 and 7, 27. 28 minus 27 is 1. 1 representation I. Then XL means 40. 40 plus 1, 41. XL means 40. 41 minus 40 is 1. 1 representation I. Then LV means 50 plus 1, 55. Minus LI means 51. 55 minus 51 is 4. 4 representation IB. 4 representation IB. Okay. Now in this way we have to subtract and we have to write and also convert into Roman. Now here write the following Roman numerals all from 20 to 60. So this is your home assignment from 20 to 60. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, so on up to 60 you have to write. So 20 means XX, 21 means XXI, 22 means XXII, 23 means 20 plus 3, 24 means XXIV, 25 means XV, 26 means XXV, XXVI, 27 means XXVII. So 28, 29, 30 you have to write. 28 means XXVIII, 28. 29 XXIX, 30 XXX. In this way you have to think and you have to write till 60 Roman numerals. Okay, all you should know how to write these Roman numerals till 60. Okay. Now friends here, so write the Roman numerals for all the numbers from 60 to 70. 60 to 70 numbers we have to write Roman numerals for all. 60 means LX, 50 plus 10. 51 LXI, 51. 61 60, 61, 60 and 2, 60 and 3, 60 and 4 representation IV, and 65, then 66, 60 LX, 7, 68 symbol, 8 representation, 60 LX and 9, 70, LXX. These are the representation of the Roman numerals from 60 to 70. From 60 to 70. 60 means LX is 60, 61 LXI, 61, 62, 63, 64. Just LX is enough. Then after that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These representations we know. So that representations we have to keep at the last. Okay. Now write the largest number using the symbols X, L, D. D means 500, L means 50 and X means 10. So then using these numbers we have to form a larger number. Then how to form? First we have to write 500, then smaller than that and smaller than that. DLX. D means 500, 50 plus 10. 550 plus 560. This is the largest number we can form from the given Roman numerals. By using these Roman numerals, we can form this largest Roman numeral. Next, write the Hindu-Arabic numerals which are one more than the Roman numeral. Whatever the Roman numeral is given, so we have to write another Roman numeral which is one more than the given. One more than. So this is LX. LX means 60 and 565. Means 65. Here we have to write 66. We have to write 66. LX V and 66. D means, what is D? 500, 501, 502. This is 502. We have to write 503 here. 503. 503. Here LX means 60 and 9, 69. Here we have to write 70. 70. LXX 70. Then CX. C means 100 and 10. 110 and 1. 111. Now we have to write 112. 100 plus 10. 110, 11, 12. 112. One more number we have to write. C 100. 10, 110, 120, 130, 135. Now we have to write 136. One more. C X X X B. One more. Then C L. C means 100, L means 50. 150, 151, 152. Now we have to write 153. C L I I I. 153. One more number we have to write in this format. Now complete the series writing the next number. Here see. X plus X. 10 plus 10, 20, 25, 26. Here 10 plus 10, 20, 25, 26, 27. Here 25. Here 26, 27. Now 28. We have to write 28. X plus X. 25, 26, 27, 28. This is a 28. 28. Okay. Now XL means 40. 41, 42, 43. 43, 40. This is 4. 44. Now we have to write 45. XL 40 and 5. 45. 45. Now XC means, C means 100, X means 90. 91. 92. Now 93 we have to write. XC means 90 and 3. 93. We have to write 93 like that. Next, fill in the blanks. What is there? The Roman numerals 2, 4, 6. This is 2, this is 4, this is 6. Denote the first 3 consecutive dashed numbers. Consecutive even numbers. 3 consecutive even numbers. This represents 3 consecutive even numbers. Okay. Now you have to think and you have to write what numbers are given. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. How these numbers are? These numbers are the even number, consecutive even numbers. So even numbers we have to think and we have to write. Now all symbols of Roman numeration except one. Don't take one. Other than one. 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. This representation is there. So 5 representation is V, and 10 representation is X, and 50 representation is L, and 100 representation is C, and 500 representation is D, and 1000 representation is M. So except one, so whatever the numbers are there, these are all the numbers are divisible by what? Which number? Here last 5 is there, last digit 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. It means all the numbers divisible by 5, divisible by 5. If the last place value of a number is 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. Okay. Now take the correct one, take the right answer. So here some multiple choice questions are given. So 4 answers are given. In that 4 answer, one answer is correct. So whatever is the correct answer, that answer we have to tick. Okay. The successor of 10, x means 10. 10 successor is 11. So where is 11? This is 9, this is 11. This is 8, this is 12. 11. Which one is 11? This one. This is your right answer. 10 successor is 11. The predecessor of X means 60. 60 predecessor is 59. 59. Then L means 50. X means 9. 59. This is your right answer. This is 61. This is 40. This is 49. This is 40. This is X. I means L means 50. 50 and X. This is not correct one. This is not correct one. This is not shadable answer. This is 9. This is 11 and L. This is 61. Actually this 61 is not correct one. This is not correct representation. So your answer is LIX. L means 50. IX. This is the representation of 9. So 50 plus 9, 59. 60 predecessor is 59. This is the right answer. Now the Roman numeral for the least 2 digit least number is 10. Double digit means 2 digit least number is 10. So we know that the greatest is 99, the least is 10. Least one 10. Wherever 10 is there, you mark it. M means 1000, C means 100, X means 10. This is your right answer. The least 2 digit Roman numeral is 10. Next, in the Roman numeral, these are only dash basic symbols. 7 basic symbols we have. Only 7 basic symbols. What are those symbols? 1 is represented by I, and 5 represented by V, and 10 represented with X, and 50 represented with L, then 100 is represented with C, and 500 with D, and 1000 with M. These are the 7 basic representation in Roman numerals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 basic Roman numerals. Okay. Now, the Roman numeral for the least 4 digit number. Least 4 digit number is 1000. 4 digit least number is 1000, and 1000 representation is M. Here M is there. This is the right answer. This is the right answer. In this way we have to read, and we have to think, and we have to mark correct. Okay. Now students, so in our Roman numerals, enrichment activity. So enrichment activity. What is the main of this activity? So the objective, our main aim. So to understand the formation of Roman numerals, how to form Roman numerals. So you should know. So by this activity, So here material required. So you should bring some stickers, alphabet stickers from A to Z, and some toys. You should bring some toys, and also you should bring alphabet stickers A to Z. Alphabet stickers. These 2 things require for our activity. So which 2 things we require? So we require stickers of alphabets A to Z, and also some toys. Okay. Then how to do this activity? Suppose in a class, students were there all 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, whatever. Class strength is there. So they have some toys with them. So everyone should sell their toys. So how? So suppose first student he wants to sell his toys. So the price of a toy is 90 rupees. The price of the toy is 90 rupees. So then another student came and so he want to purchase the toy. So that's what he paid 100 rupees. How much? 100 rupees. So actual what is the cost of the toy? 90 rupees. Then he paid 100 rupees. Then how much amount he should pay back to him? How much amount he paid back to him? So 10 rupees. Why? Because he paid 100 rupees. Actual price of the toy is 90 rupees. So he should pay back 10 rupees. Why? Because 10 rupees extra he paid. He paid. So like that he has to return 10 rupees. 10 rupees. Why? Because 100 minus 90 is 10. So in the Roman numeral, so how the cost of toy, so we have to write. So amount paid, a student came and so gave an alphabet C. C means 100 rupees. C, A to Z alphabets with them, no? In that he gave C alphabet. He gave C alphabet means he gave 100 rupees. And how much amount he paid? He gave X alphabet. Who gave? So those who purchase the toy, he pay back 10 rupees. So X, he gave X alphabet. First who gave? So who want to purchase the toy? He gave him C alphabet and he gave back X alphabet. Then how to write the toy cost? So 90 rupees. How to arrange? How to write this using these Roman numerals? C, we have to take C first. And this he has to pay back 10 rupees. Whatever the amount, so he has to pay back means that is minus. Whenever minus will come, the smallest Roman numeral should come on the left side of the bigger Roman numeral. So we have to write X and C. It represents 90. In this way you should understand how to arrange, how to write Roman numerals using this. Means what is the cost of the toy, then how much amount he gave and how much amount you have to pay back to him. So that according to that you have to write the Roman numerals and do your activity one by one after another. So whatever transactions are there, first transaction, second transaction, third transaction, fourth transaction, like this, all the transaction you have to enter in this table. Okay, this is your activity.